Hey guys, finally the biggest update has come to the Nothing Phone 1, and this update has changed everything about this phone. All the bugs, all the issues in this phone, most of them are fixed, and we will see what are the new features that are added with this update for this phone and whether this phone will be the right choice to buy in 2022 right here right now. So as always, this video will be the sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Nothing Phone 1 is a really good phone with all the latest features out there, and with the update it has become one of the best phones you can buy in the price point of 30 to 35,000 rupees. And this phone comes with all the features of the flagship devices with few compromises in there. So yesterday I was just browsing my phone and a notification popped up that a system update is available, and right now the phone is running on Nothing OS 1.1.4. That means it has come a long way from the Nothing OS 1, and this update has become one of the most important updates for this phone. So with this update, what are the new features that are added to this phone? So first of all, they have added the navigation bar, which is at the bottom, and you can now flip the buttons of the navigation bar. So previously what used to happen is there was a fixed button in the navigation bar, that means the back button and the multitasking button cannot be interchanged, but now it can be interchanged with the new updates. So to change the position of the navigation buttons, you have to come to the settings of this phone, and once you are in the settings you need to come to system, and in the system you will get this option of gestures. So in the gestures, if you click on there, you will see the option of system navigation. If you click there, you can now just change the position of the buttons by clicking on this settings icon. You can just click on this back button on the right side to get the back button on the right side, or if your preference is on the left, you can do that. So this is a really nice addition to the already added features of the Nothing Phone 1. And with the navigation bar you can obviously control the phone effectively, and if you don't want the navigation bar, you can also choose to the gesture navigation, which is just swiping left or right from the home screen to go back or select things in the phone. So this is a really good thing which you will be getting in the Nothing Phone 1. And the second feature which is added is related to the Nothing Ear 1 app. So the Nothing company has also the Nothing Ear 1 earphones in their lineup. You can now customize gestures and controls with the Nothing Ear 1, and also you can switch noise cancellations and more settings in the Nothing Ear 1 if you have one. So you can now control each and everything with the Nothing Ear 1 from the Nothing Phone 1. Definitely this is an added benefit who are having the Nothing Ear 1 earphones. The third is the most important update you will be getting with the Nothing Phone 1. That is, this phone now supports the LHDC high definition audio. So LHDC stands for low latency high definition audio. So this is an audio codec which will definitely improve the sound of the Nothing Phone 1, and I have seen a major improvement in the sound with the earphones in the Nothing Phone 1. Definitely it has boosted the sound, and definitely the sound is a lot better after the update in the Nothing Phone 1. You can hear extremely good details in the sound of this phone. Although this phone doesn't come with Dolby Atmos or any other audio enhancement like other phones, this phone can really deliver high definition audio right now. And the biggest bug of the Nothing Phone 1 is also fixed. That is, previously when I used to listen to music, I used to have a lot of hiccups and also glitches in the sound, and that thing has been totally fixed. So this can be the most important update for the Nothing Phone 1. And now even if I am listening to music with my Bluetooth earphones, I am not getting any glitches or hiccups in the sound. That means they have improved the audio a lot, and also the latency of the audio has been improved. And while you will be gaming in this phone, you will hear this sound exactly as per the game. There will be no lag in the audio which will come from this phone into your earphones. So this is a major improvement in the audio department from the Nothing Phone 1. So this is definitely a phone now to consider if you listen to music a lot and if you consume a lot of content in this phone. The next feature which is improved in this phone is obviously the camera. The camera now has a lot of features which has been added. So if I open the camera, you can see the usual interface for the Nothing Phone 1. You will get the minimalist UI in there, and definitely now you can add some of the features like you can add the Nothing watermark in the photos. So to do that, you need to go to the settings, and once you are in the settings, you can see the watermark option has been added, and you can also choose which watermark to display. There is a time watermark, there is a model watermark. So definitely if I just click the picture with the watermark on, you will see that the watermark and the time will be displayed on the photo, which is a really good thing, and definitely it is in the same dot matrix style, and I will prefer to keep the watermark on for a few days obviously. And there is a major improvements in the ultra wide camera. So previously what used to happen is the ultra wide camera was not capturing as much detail as the normal camera of this phone, but now you will be getting a lot better color saturation and color in the ultra wide camera also. But to my eye it is not that much improved, but definitely improved from the last version of camera. So if I just click to pictures, you will be able to see, although there is not enough light in this room, if I just click the ultra wide and the normal photo of this speaker, you will see there is a definite improvement in the color. So this is the ultra wide shot. The details are really good in the ultra wide shot right now, and obviously the main camera will capture more and more details in there, and a better looking photo will be the main camera. But the ultra wide has also been improved, and definitely the Nothing Phone 1 is making the changes which are required to improve the camera in this phone, and definitely it is getting better day by day. Also there are minute improvements, like you will be getting now improved stability while shooting the video via this phone, and also it will detect moving objects better. That means it will be able to focus on the objects a lot better than the previous version of algorithms. Also you will be getting a minute increase in the shooting speed, so definitely it will help you to capture the photos more faster and with a lot more fluidity in this phone. So the major improvement departments are the audio and the camera, and these are the most important departments in any phone, you can say. So they are trying to improve the really important departments of the phone, that is the camera and the audio, which is a good thing about the Nothing Phone 1. More improvements are there, which is the reduced battery consumption on the always on display. So the Nothing Phone 1 comes with a really good always on display, and you can see this always on display will be always on. That means you don't need to tap the phone to wake up the always on display, it will be always on. So definitely it looks good, but it consumes a lot of battery also. So in that department nothing has really worked, and you can see a really good animation also when you will be unlocking the phone from the always on display. So major improvements in the always on display, and the battery consumption by the always on display has been also reduced. So right now the Nothing Phone 1 is giving me around 6 to 7 hours of screen on time, and with the always on display I was getting around 4 to 5 hours, but definitely it has got a little bit of increase with the always on display. Now I can get more than 5 hours with the always on display turned on. So definitely this is one thing to consider, although I am not a heavy user of this phone right now. So if you are planning to use the always on display in this phone, definitely you can do that. And the other improvements include the improved thermal performance. So I have experienced very less heating in this phone while playing games. The only time the phone used to heat is while charging, but that is also now reduced. So when it comes to heating, anything above 47 degrees Celsius is a major concern, but I have not seen the temperature to rise to that extent. When I will be charging, the temperature can rise to 40 to 41, but that's all. So you can definitely use the phone without any worries in the thermal department. And there is another most important update, which is the improved face unlock algorithm. So previously you have seen that the face unlock of the Nothing Phone 1 is really not at all good, because previously we used to face a lot of issues while unlocking this phone with our face. But now they have improved the algorithm, and whenever I'm pointing it to my face, it is opening the phone a lot faster and better. So definitely this is also a major improvement. So they have improved the face unlock algorithm also. So definitely a thing to consider is the improved face unlock algorithm. And these are some of the bug fixes that are the network issues it has fixed. It has issues with incoming calls, that is also fixed. And definitely this is hilarious because I am not seeing any phone to mention bank name in their updates, but this Nothing Phone 1 has mentioned it. They have fixed some HDFC Bank app fingerprint issue, but I think it can be fixed with the HDFC Bank app, not an update I guess. But they have improved the fingerprint issue, and there are general bug fixes. So these are the major updates in the Nothing Phone 1. The most important ones is they have fixed the audio, which was the most horrifying bug I have found in a phone, as I was getting glitches while hearing to music via the Bluetooth earphones. But now they have fixed it, so definitely good work they have done with the audio in this phone. They have now introduced the low latency high definition audio also, which is a really good thing. And the camera also has been improved with the new Nothing Phone 1. The ultra wide camera color calibration has definitely improved in this phone. So the major question is whether this is a phone to consider right here right now. So if you are planning to buy any phone, yes, this phone can be considered, and this phone is one of the most unique looking phones you will be getting in this price point. You are searching for a phone which will give you a good overall performance without any lag, and also comes with good camera and good audio. This phone you can consider. But if you are a heavy gamer or a heavy user of this phone, if you play games all the time, the phone doesn't come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen processor. It has a weaker processor than that. So in that case you can search for other better options in there. So that's it guys, I want to tell you that this phone has come with the most important update, and definitely a lot of improvements have come after the recent updates. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.